Hey guys, Cody here with Import Image Racing. Today we're taking a look at the DKA Emblem Mount. So this is going to be a good solution for you guys running the Noble Grille or any sort of mesh style grille on your car. This is going to allow you to relocate or basically reuse your factory Subaru Emblem. So we're going to get into this really shortly here. It's a very simple install. It's a very cheap modification. So if this is something that you want to run, look no further. We're going to look into it today. So I'm going to show you how to install this thing. It's super easy. You can basically put the emblem anywhere you want. You can put it right in the center. You can put it down to the side, wherever you want it. You could even put it vertical, however you want to do this. So let's jump into this. So you're going to get your DKA Emblem mounting kit in a little bag like this. We're going to pull the instructions out. We don't need those right now. Here is the mount itself. It's going to come with this hex key. You're going to need that for install. And then you can see there's 2 hex bolts on the back with washers holding this backing plate that's going to help keep this thing in this grill. So we're going to unscrew these hex bolts and take the washers out with it to get the backing plate off. Once we have both of those hex keys out and we have taken the backing plate off, now you can see those already threaded inserts for our hardware. And then obviously this has some foam backing on it, and this is going to essentially go on the back side of the grill, and then this is going to go on the front side, and they're going to bolt together. And that's really it. It's that simple. Unfortunately, I do not have the factory Subaru emblem to show you guys, but there is holes for the factory emblem. Right here I have the JDMS carbon fiber OEM replacement emblem, and this has the pins that the OEM one has. So this will be a good example. You can see it has the holes in this for the OEM pins. So all we're gonna have to do, peel your 3M tape just like so. If you have a factory badge, you may be able to reuse it. If not, you might have to add some more 3M tape, but we're gonna line up those pins and basically stick that pin in there, get this pin lined up to this hole and firmly press down. Our badge is now one with our mount. So you should be good to go. Now we can basically decide where we want this. As I said, you can kind of put it here in the middle, or maybe you want to be JDM and put it down here to the side. That actually might look kind of cool. So for me, I'm just going to put it right in the center, just like that. And I'll show you guys how to do that. So find the center of your grill. It's not super difficult. You can see there's 2 screws here holding it in. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 sections where a plastic clip would go in from the OEM grill, and then get just about right in the center of these 2 middle clips. There's actually a little raised notch on this factory bumper that kind of shows us exactly where the center is. We'll take our mount, sort of decide what height we want it. I'm going to try and get it as close to the middle as possible. Then we can take one of our hex bolts and put it through the end of our backing plate and sort of work that one in to the hole there. Once we start threading that in, we can grab our second hex bolt and washer. Then we can take our second hex bolt, start to thread that one in to the far bolt here. There we go. Now we can take our hex key wrench here and just snug these up. You don't have to go super tight. Right there should be good. As soon as it starts getting some resistance, maybe just go one more full turn and that should be good. You don't want to break anything here, but again, pretty simple. All right guys, there you have it. That is the JDMS carbon fiber emblem attached to the DKA mount that we just installed on our Noble Grille. So this is a very good solution if you want to retain that factory emblem. Again, this will work with your factory OEM Subaru emblem. So this is just a nice option for you. Gives you a nice clean look. You're not seeing any bars or any support behind there because it's just sort of floating in space, which looks great. So that's going to be it for today's install, guys. We'll see you in the next one.